In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Spotify to your WordPress website. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes from start to finish. So let's dive right in and make your site more engaging by integrating Spotify. First, you'll want to navigate to wordpress.com and head over to the main page. Here, you should look for the login option. This is usually located towards the upper right corner of the web page. If you already have an account, this is where you can sign in. If you're using Google services, there's a quick and easy way to log in, so click on Continue with Google. This allows you to use your existing Google account details instead of remembering another password. Once you've clicked that, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, just make sure you select the one associated with your WordPress website. After you select your account, you'll be automatically signed in, and you should see your WordPress dashboard. Now, find Edit Site under the Quick Links section. It's typically on the right panel of your WordPress dashboard. Clicking this will take you directly into editing mode, where you can start customizing or adding new features to your website. You're halfway there now. Look towards the top left of the editing interface. You'll see an Add button. This button allows you to integrate new blocks or features into your site. Click on this button to pull up a variety of different content blocks you can add to your website. Now that you've opened the Add block option, it's time to type in what you're looking for. In this case, type Spotify into the search bar. You should see a list of options pop up. These are the different Spotify features or embeds you can add to your WordPress site. From the list of options, click on Spotify Embed. This specialized block allows you to incorporate Spotify playlists, albums, or specific tracks right into your website. Having this feature not only enhances user interaction, but also creates a lively and engaging atmosphere for your website visitors. And that's it! You've successfully added Spotify to your WordPress site. Remember, this integration will allow you to share your favorite tunes or podcasts with your audience, providing them with a rich multimedia experience. It's a great way to keep visitors engaged and coming back for more. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Have fun enhancing your site.